Hey guys, what's up? It has been a wild ride this year already. We are through quarter one and it is time to celebrate. We've put in the effort. Let's go. This place is huge. Look at that. What a great idea. Let's have a quarterly team building event for quarter one 2022 and let's celebrate what happened and all the work we've done to get this to this point. These guys have put in a lot of time. We certainly are gonna celebrate, so let's go. This is cool. So I didn't get it on camera, but I just got the high score of 937. I just nailed it, you guys. Actually, this guy did. Holy cow, he's got an arm and a fist. Don't get in a fight with this guy. You were pretty bad too. Oh man, watch out. Kayla's got a gun. Whoa. That thing's mad. So why in the world would we have ready buckets with us? Is it because we love our buckets so much that we just gotta have our buckets everywhere we go? Well, we do. These buckets represent prizes that we're offering. And Derek is gonna be the exhibitor of how this works. We gave guys tags and they put their name on it and they get to put in these buckets to get a drawing, and if you put all your tags in one bucket, I guess you get the best odds. So we got a Shields gift card, a Fleet Farm gift card, a Wursthof knife set, KitchenAid mixer for all of you baker enthusiasts out there, and a dinner to Rosewild. It looks like fancy date night, and meats by John and Wayne. Jeff, what are you gonna win today? Ammo. Oh yeah, good plan. John, how about you? Are you gonna count your chickens before they hatch?
No, I never win, so.
Shields gift card, why not?
Wow, that one's gonna be pretty hotly contested. What are you gonna win, Garrett? What are you going for?
Everything.
All right.
Probably not gonna win it.
One of everything?
Yeah. So
That'd be funny if you did win most of it. 14, can I handle 14? So if a guy wants to win, whose team do I be on? This is my baby. I'm not gonna take good care of it. It's about to give birth. Oh no! Birth to a strike. Wow! Okay, that's the cue that we're gonna do a drawing. And the winner is?
Brett!
Brett! Brett! I'll take it. It's the only time I've ever seen Rick more focused is when he's talking to farmers.
Right? This is serious stuff.
Oh, she got one in. Great pass, yeah.
I'm a champion.
You got a card!
All right, another drawing. This is for, what's a wussy knife? Wursthof. That's a good brand, right? John's the winner of the night.
I'll take it. I like weapons.
Yeah, that's how you drive. Wait, no, you don't drive like that. Wow. I had no idea you know how to drive like this. You're doing the spins. Now, if only our computer monitors could be this good. Okay, another drawing. Oh, wow. Lisa! Yeah! I got the touch.
All right, Mr. Champion, what you have to say?
You know, I went into that knowing nothing, and I came out knowing I was a winner. It's a pretty good game. What people didn't realize is we actually came to gamble. Oh! Come on! Yeah! It won't move. By the way, it's very effective for little kids. Mikey! Wow! Okay, $50 too. Meats by John and Wayne. Oh, it's a green one. Michael! Hey guys, thanks for watching. We've had a great time. We've ate a lot of food. We've won some prizes, but now we're all done. Oh, I was gonna get out of the grand prize, but they're not gonna let me, so let's see what happens here. The reason for that success in quarter one was because of you, and I'm so thankful for you. I'm thankful for all the effort you put in, the extra hours, all that. We decided as owners, let's do a grand prize drawing of $1,000 cash. Who wants $1,000? If you're not raising your hand, you can't win. All right, let's see who wins $1,000. Who's the big money winner? Whoa! Garrett!
Oh, she's not finding out about this.
Very good. Well, we really appreciate you guys. Hey guys, remember, thanks for watching. We're out of here.